Hi, and welcome aboard SeaSHINE, our 56-foot floating home. Come with me and let's take a tour, and I can show you how our family of 4 has lived aboard for 1 year. SeaSHINE is a 56-foot 1987 Ocean Alexander long-range cruiser. She's 41 tons, she's got 4 staterooms and 4 heads. My favorite part is she's a beamy boat. She is 18 feet wide, which gives us this incredible salon. Now, come on in and let's get into the nitty-gritty. So when we first bought the boat, we did a before tour showing you how the boat looked when we purchased it. In the last year, we've done a lot of upgrades and improvements and made the boat our home. We've also figured out how to live on this floating home. So let me show you all the things we did. Starting in our main living area, which on a boat is called a salon, we put in all new carpet to lighten and brighten the feel. I really wanted a new sofa, but we only had 11 days to do our ambush makeover of the new carpet and all the other new stuff I'll show you, and we could not get a sofa in time. In hindsight, this is just a really comfy, great kid-proof sofa, so it works great for us. But we did add new pillows, new curtains. We organized all of this a lot better. We've got games, our workout stuff is here, baskets for everything like sunglasses and sunscreen and vitamins. And then over on the bar, we put in new countertops, which lighten everything up. They had solid surface countertops, but they were yellow, and I wanted bright white. We added a backsplash. Of course, we have our Berkey water filter, which is a necessity on a boat, and bar fridge is still here. New faucet, new hardware. This is our kitchen, and on a boat it's called a galley. We put the same solid surface countertop over here that's brand new, and we did an under counter mounted sink, which I think upgrades the whole look. New faucet. This boat has every appliance but an oven, so we've got a dishwasher, a trash compactor, a built-in griddle and grill, burners, and a full-size residential refrigerator, which is incredible if you're living aboard a boat. But we didn't have an oven, so we added this little Cuisinart oven, which has been a lifesaver, key, and of course a coffee maker. But this is a super functional galley. I was concerned we didn't have enough storage, but we actually have tons. I've got cabinet storage all along the top that I have all of ingredients, baking goods, all that good stuff. Plates, cups, mugs are all up there. This, just because I think it's cool, is a little hidden dishwasher. Down here is really our pantry where we put all of our food, which was a little odd to begin with, but it works great. Trash compactor. When we were shopping for a boat, I was not concerned about a trash compactor, but now I'm obsessed. We can go 2 weeks without having to empty our kitchen trash. Drawers for utensils, and then under here is a really big cabinet for pots and pans and servingware and the like. And we do have a convection microwave oven as well. New backsplash. So we put in a new backsplash, again, to lighten and brighten and update the galley. So come join me in the dinette area and the lower helm. The dinette is really the heart of our home. The kids do boat school here. I usually have a basket full of my goodies that are work stuff, and I do work here. We also have the lower helm right here. But one of the ways we've kept all of that organized is the addition of these baskets. Everybody has their own work basket, so at the end of your day, your school stuff, your work stuff goes in your respective basket. So we keep everything neat and organized that way. Over here is the helm. So our 3 Stid helm chairs are super comfy. This one down here at the lower helm, and we've got 2 more at the upper helm. Now, one of the ways we get in and out of the boat is this helm door, and we have a basket for all our shoes to keep them neat and tidy. And then we have our inflatable life jackets by the door so that they are easy to access when we are locking or docking or just need them for safety. My favorite part of the boat happens to be this fantabulous painting. Mark, my husband, who is behind the camera here, and our captain, is also a fine artist. And so this piece was in his gallery in Palm Beach, and while we were in the area, we picked it up and put it right here. I mean, seriously, who has an art wall big enough in a boat for that? But SeaSHINE. In our first before tour, we did a detailed kind of introduction to everything that's here in the helm, so you can go back and watch that if you would like to know more about our helm. Go with me as we go forward in the boat, where we've got 3 staterooms and 3 heads, otherwise known as 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Okay, so come with me downstairs as we pass the AC panel, or as I like to call it, the big electrical panel, as opposed to the little electrical panel, which is over there. Come on down. We kept the original carpet in the front of the boat, so it has a darker, cozier feel. First off, let's check out our daughter's bedroom, which is right here on the port side. This might be a good time to point out that this is an after tour of our makeover, but it's really also a tour of how we live on the boat. So the kids made their beds the way they make their beds. There's so many stuffed animals. This is our how we live. So it's not like a how to, sell your boat type of like cleaned out video. It's like a real life video. So Belle, our daughter, stays here, and she made her bed with all of her stuffed animals. That's JoJo. So Belle has a big desk in her room with tons of storage. There's actually a stack of drawers behind this door. She's got room for a keyboard because she practices her piano. She loves piano. Tons of storage. All of this kind of chaotic storage is actually, we call it the captain's bookcase, and it's got all the manuals and all the reference guides, and all of our like waterway guides are all up here, organized in one area. Belle has 6 drawers here, a hanging locker, pretty big size hanging locker here, and then 6 more drawers on her vanity. So the girl can have lots of clothes and lots of toys.
That's me.
Hi. Every stateroom on this boat has its own head. Belle's is across the hall, and it is right here, but it's actually the cat's bathroom. So the cats need their space too, so their litter box is in the shower, which works out really well. We keep all their extra food and litter and gear in that same shower, so it is kind of a win-win for everybody. We don't have to trip over that sort of stuff, and away we go. In the very bow of the boat, we have my son's bedroom, or our son's bedroom, sorry, Mark. It has 2 beds in the V. He sleeps over there with as many stuffed animals as he can possibly fit on his bed. He loves to collect things, and that's what he's focused on. One of the best additions we did to the boat was putting beddies on the kids' beds. So beddies are basically, they're like a really lovely looking comforter combined with a sleeping bag. So to make the bed, the kids simply zip it up. They're super comfortable, and my favorite thing is they fit awkward shaped beds. Like, boats on beds typically aren't always standard shapes. Rex is especially awkwardly shaped in the V-berth bow here, so it's a great solution for your kids' beds on a boat. But he also has a ton of storage. He has a full-length hanging locker, drawers here, a big old stack of drawers here, and then if you open this door right here, which there's another door in his stateroom, is his bathroom. We added adorable wallpaper, details, and made it feel more fresh and nautical and fitting for an 8-year-old boy. Let me show you something we added to the boat that we really love. So these lights are actually motion activated, and they come down. So awesome for when you're on anchor and you're saving electricity. They charge with a USB port. Great for when we're checking on the kids at night. Great safety feature, kind of like a night light, but also a flashlight. So we added those kind of in all the hallways throughout the boat. So there's one there, there's one here. Keep coming, keep coming. So a lot of the art in this boat when we bought it is like permanently adhered to the walls. This is a piece we didn't love, so we just stuck stickers from all of our adventures on that. But let me take you down these stairs and show you what is really kind of the gem of this boat, and one of the things that makes it so unusual. Come check out the VIP. Keep in mind, this is not the master. This is the guest bedroom. It is full beam. It has a queen size walk around bed that we got schwanky new bedding for. I'm obsessed with Peacock Alley bedding, and I love that they will monogram your logo or your boat name or your monogram in the bedding. So we have their cotton bedding in this bedroom on this bed. This is another piece of art that was permanently on the wall, so Mark added his touch to it. And then let me show you the head in this bedroom. So around here, all of the heads have their own showers. We added wallpaper to this one to make it feel a little brighter and cleaner. And then let me release this, shut the door, and there's a correspondence desk. And Mark actually works here a lot. That's one of Mark's projects he's working on. Very spacious, luxurious, lovely guest bedroom. Now Now let's go check out the fourth bedroom and fourth head, which is the master. But to do that, we got to go up and over. So come on up. Before we make it to the master though, this little cat tree has been a must-have item on the boat. There's usually a cat always sitting in here, and then we get seasonal cat scratchers. I think there's somebody in here. Oh yeah, Angie's in there. Down the bottom of the stairs, first thing we come to is a requirement for me, stackable washer and dryer. Also have a ton of storage over here, a full length locker. And if you come this way, this is the master stateroom. We have a king size walk around bed and it is heavenly. But my favorite thing about the bed, I have to say, is the peacock galley linens. We had our monogram added, nice navy detail, which then we pulled out in other design elements throughout the room. Now, one of the other coolest things about this room are the sconces that we added. We felt that the bed was missing a headboard. However, once we moved aboard, we realized that there's an access panel back there that we couldn't cover up if we added a headboard. So the solution we came up with are these columns on either side of the bed, and we added these cool light fixtures. So it helps define the space, makes it a little more chic, and makes it a lot easier to live in. So comfy bed, great lighting, and incredible storage. I have a closet here. I have a full-length closet here for all of my dresses and caftans. Mark has the same, a mirror of that over there. We both have drawers and storage along the side. So this boat has a ton of clothing storage. We also added a drop-down TV, which the boat did not have before, which is handy. Although we've been so busy the last year, we really don't watch much TV. The room that had the biggest transformation is probably the master head. It was very gray and 80s. So we added wallpaper, we added a new floor, we did new surfaces on the counters both here and in the shower area, and then a few accessories here and there. But it really transformed and took it from a sad little depressing bathroom slash head to a cheerful, joyful, lovely space, if you can call a bathroom a lovely space. Let me show you Mark's favorite room on the boat, the engine room. These are our engines, Peaches and Cream. Mark did a full rundown of everything in the engine room on our before tour. So not much has changed other than we have upgraded and improved some things in the engine, and Mark has repainted a bunch of stuff and buffed it out so it's even cleaner and more organized. He's got to-do boards. He's very obsessive compulsive on keeping his engine room perfect. Almost done. Follow me as we go up to the flybridge for our last area on this boat tour. So this is our flybridge. We operate the boat from up here 95% of the time. It's got two really comfortable STID helm chairs. It's also got this table that opens up so we can have dinner up here, or we can work, or we can play games, which we do a lot of games up here. We added some pillows and we added a grill, which we needed. So we've got this grill, and then our tender, which the kids named the chicken tender, lives up here. Mark has painted the bottom of that, added some names. There we have it. So that's SeaSHINE. She has been the best floating home for the last year, as we have done over 5,000 miles on the Great American Loop. We still have a few hundred miles left before we complete our loop, and we're also going to take her to the Bahamas. And then in June of 2023, we're going to sell her, which is sad but true, and we'll go back to our regular old life. And then we'll start editing all of videos of our escapades on doing the loop, yeah? Have you had fun?
Yes.
Until then, if you wouldn't mind picking up 2 pieces of trash a day for us, that would be amazing. And if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Anything else we want to add?
I think that's it.
Oh, one more thing. Come with me. I forgot to show you this hammock chair, which is hanging from the davit. So until our next video, shine on.